And breaking news just coming in, Indian Army Chief Bipin Rawat has made his opinion very clear on the Kashmir issue. He has said that a misinformation campaign is being carried out in Kashmir to mislead the youth and to battle terrorism. There needs to be an update in technology. The Army Chief, who attended an IMA passing out parade, said that आतंकवाद की कार्रवाई को विफल करने के लिए प्रशिक्षण होना चाहिए and the technology needs to be updated for that. And let's first listen into what exactly Army Chief Bipin Rawat had to say.
एक मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन या डिस इन्फॉर्मेशन कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है, जो कि सोशल मीडिया के जरिए वहाँ के जो नौजवान हैं उनको भड़काया जा रहा है, उनको बहलाया फुसलाया जा रहा है, जिससे कि वो गलत रास्ते पर चल रहे हैं। हमारी तो कोशिश यही रहेगी कि जितने भी ये नौजवान हैं जो गलत रास्ते पर भटक गए हैं, ये जो हैं हथियार डालकर हमारे साथ मिलजुल कर काम करें, क्योंकि अगर वहाँ पे फौज और अन्य सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस अगर जम्मू कश्मीर में तैनात हुई हैं तो वहाँ पर अमन शांति बहाली करने के लिए तैनात है। हम लोग कोई वहाँ मारधाड़ करने के लिए तैनात नहीं होंगे। जब भी फौज को बुलाया जाता है तो फौज को अमन और शांति बहाल करने के लिए बुलाया जाता है, उसी मकसद से हम काम करते हैं।
Let's now go across to Snehesh, who joins us on the phone line and brings us more details on this. Snehesh, we have been covering stories of this nature time and again on our channel, so much so that we have even done exposés to bring out all that has been happening in Kashmir on this misinformation campaign. And now the Army Chief makes it very clear that this campaign is misleading the youth, and the youth needs to be conscious about it. They need to understand that they are being misled.
Absolutely. The army as well as the security establishment is clear about one thing, that there is a lot of propaganda that comes from across the border, which is actually spreading unrest in Kashmir. As you rightly pointed out, Republic did an expose on the social media network of the Jamaat-ul-Dawa and how various videos, pictures, and false information is actually sent out from Pakistan to various WhatsApp groups and other social media groups, so as to fool the youngsters of Kashmir into picking up stones, into attacking the security forces. The army is very clear on one part, is that they are there as part of the duty to carry out counter-terrorism operations. In the last 10 days, the army has gunned down about 20 terrorists who tried to cross over into Kashmir from Pakistan. At the same time, the social media, you had the social media bans, you had the internet ban that came into play, which actually did bring down the level of violence to a certain bit. But yes, this is something that the security agencies will have to counter in a much bigger way rather than what's currently happening at this point of time.